Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the important points in RBI's policy decision. So before I proceed, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, then always take the advice of certified investment professional. Now, for those who have not yet opened their trading and demat accounts, I advise Upstock, a leading and a trusted stockbroker whose accounts are free of cost. So anybody willing to open accounts, I advise you to open accounts in Upstock, a leading stockbroker, and the link for opening the account is given in the description box. Now let me come to the important 7 points in RBI's policy. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das has said that revised inflation due to war-induced factors and revised growth projections. Due to the rise in crude oil, he has set the target price for crude at $100 per barrel. So revised inflation was due to war-induced factors, and even the growth has been revised. A second important point is, in sequence of priorities, have put inflation over growth. In RBI's previous policy, the governor has stressed on growth. Now, from this policy onwards, they have put inflation more important than the growth. And the third important decision is, the stance continues to be accommodative while focusing on withdrawal of accommodation, which has been there for more than the COVID period. The meaning is, RBI is going to be very accommodative with regard to raising of interest rates. They are based on the situation, they are going to raise or reduce the rates. The policy is going to be accommodative. Now their important focus for the future is withdrawal of accommodation. This accommodation is not going to be forever, so they are focusing on withdrawal of this accommodation. The next important is LAF corridor, liquidity adjustment facility corridor, has been normalized to 50 basis points. This comes to RBI's earlier policy decisions, where LAF, that is liquidity adjustment facility corridor, was not available during the COVID period, so that has been normalized to 50 basis points. SDF has been introduced and will be bottom of the corridor. What is SDF? SDF is standing deposit facility. Standing deposit facility has been introduced, and the lowest interest rate at standing deposit facility is 3.75%. Next is, it announced that liquidity withdrawal will be done over a multi-year time frame. Whatever liquidity has been pumped in due to various factors, so that is COVID, Russian war, so that will be withdrawn over a multi-year time frame. The last important decision is, situation is dynamic and fast changing, and all our actions will be tailored accordingly. So that is the meaning of accommodative. So situation will be tailor made, which suits a particular situation. And you already must be knowing the repo rate is set at 4%, reverse repo at 3.35%. so these were the important things from the RBI's policy decision. So now let me come to the all important Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. So first let me concentrate on the Nifty chart. Okay, so now how you should trade post the RBI policy. Now markets has been doing well. The market is trading at around 17,732. So what you should do now? So all important levels. So now the market is trading at around 17,728. The resistance is at around 17,753, and the main important support is at around 17,688. Market has been stable during the policy. Now it has taken out the pivot point, and it is trading above the upper range of the pivot. So upper range of the pivot is trading above. So it's always better that you trade on fall. So if the market is falling to the pivot level is 17,688, you can buy Nifty for a target of 17,750 on the chart. So that is the Nifty for today. So now let me come to the Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank, yeah. So Nifty Bank is very important because of the RBI policy decision. So it is almost stable at the pivot. So pivot is around 37,630 levels. So it has been trading just at that level. Now what you should do? If the market continues to trade above the upper range is 37,670 levels. If you trade above that level, you can buy Bank Nifty for a target of 37,932. So that will be the very important resistance. And if the market breaks the pivot, so that is 37,630 and below, continues to trade below, you can sell Bank Nifty for a target of 37,300. So policy is already over. Markets have been trading within a range. So trade accordingly. There is not much left after the RBI policy. Everything has been priced into the market. So that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for you for the day. So let me not focus on the FII data and other important factors for the day, because RBI policy decision already being taken. Everything is priced into. So whatever will be the FII positions, we will see at the end of the day, and trade accordingly for the all important trading day on Monday. So right now RBI's decision has been good for the market. So if you want to trade today on falls, you can buy it. Okay, buy on every major fall. So that is the Nifty and Bank Nifty level for today. If you are not subscribed to my channel Option Trading ki Duniya, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So that is all for the day. Have a nice trading day. Thank you.